guys, it's your girl Jules, and I'm back again with another video. So girls, or men, if you're watching, let me tell you what I have been up to. So I have been MIA because my daughter got sick with the flu, and then I got sick with the flu. So I've been MIA on Instagram, and I've also been MIA on here. But I will tell you guys this: it is 2020, it is a new year, and I'm gonna try to be more consistent on YouTube, and I'm gonna try to be more consistent on Instagram. I'm thinking of just filming one video a day and uploading one video a day. I don't know if I'm gonna be consistent or not, but I'm gonna try my best from here on out. So if you're watching this video, you already know what the title of this video is. So you want to make money on Instagram. Yeah, that's why you're here. I'm going to teach you a step-by-step process today of how you can make money on Instagram with an affiliate program called ClickBank. So some things that we're going to discover today are how to pick your niche. Hold on, because I wrote it down. How to pick your niche, how to promote ClickBank products, how to grow your Instagram account from scratch, and how to build a landing page and collect emails, and how to get traffic to your landing pages and monetize. So, step number 1 of how to make money on Instagram with ClickBank: pick your niche. So the most popular niches are health and fitness, spirituality, woodworking, relationships, and making money online, which is what I'm doing right now, teaching you how to make money online. All right, now the second step that you want to do is create a ClickBank account and pick a product that you want to promote. I'm going to tell you right now that the product depends on what niche you picked. And depending upon the product and whoever owns it, you might have to be approved for a product. I'm going to tell you that now. And sometimes you won't have to be approved for a product. So don't get on there and just to be expecting, okay, whatever product I want to choose, I can choose. No, not all the time. Sometimes you have to be approved by the owners. Now, the third thing that you want to do is create an Instagram account and start promoting. If you're not sure how to do that, I would pick a page on Instagram to model after. So for an example, if I had chose the woodworking niche, I would probably hashtag woodworking on Instagram and find a page that is niched solely on woodworking. Look at their post, look at how many views each post gets, and the posts that get the highest amount of views or the highest amount of likes, I would repost those to my pages. Or you can create your own content centered around whatever they did. But yeah. And then the next thing that you want to do on Instagram while you're promoting is use awesome hashtags. So for some examples of some hashtags that you can choose are, so if my page has like maybe 500 followers, I would probably use hashtags that have maybe 500 posts or 1,000 posts. You get what I'm saying? If you have like 5,000 followers, I would probably use hashtags that have maybe 10,000 posts or 8,000 or 3K, something like that, because you want to be seen on Instagram. You want to be seen. That's the whole purpose of using those hashtags. You want to rank on there. You want to be able to rank on the hashtags because that is what's going to get you more views and more likes. Then the next thing I would do is post consistently, so maybe 5 to 7 times a day. You can post consistently, or you can maybe find one of those automatic tools that will post for you so you don't have to post at all. Yeah, there are some automatic tools that you can use to post for you. Like, I think it's a website called Later or If Then That or something like that. I don't know, but do your research. Then you want to have a consistent theme when posting. So they have aesthetic themes. They have some people have themes where they include blue all the time in their post, or they include red, or they include pink in their post. Maybe the page is really light, maybe the page is really dark. Maybe the page has, maybe you take pictures outside or something like that all the time. Maybe your theme is summer, maybe your theme is winter. I don't know. Maybe your theme is travel out, I don't know. Like, it just has to, maybe your theme is checkerboard theme. I'm just saying, it's just, do your research on your themes. I might even do a video where I talk about different themes that you can use for Instagram and how to find theme ideas, but don't quote me on that because I'm lazy when it comes to these videos. The next thing that you want to do is engage with your audience. So when people comment, you want to comment back, or at least like their post. If they inbox you, maybe you want to DM them back. I wouldn't DM too many people back because half the time people just want to see if you're gonna write them back. Yeah, but I would engage with my audience and stuff like that. So different ways to engage with them is ask them questions. Ask them what would they like to see, what kind of content would they like to see on your page. I don't know. Ask them questions. Get them to engage with you and engage with them. Yeah, so the next thing that you want to do after that is find an engagement group so you can get comments and likes on your pictures, so your post can be boosted and on the explore page and stuff like that. Then you want to have long captions on your page. The captions don't have to be too long, but you can have long captions. If you're a person like me who suck at captions, I would basically ask a question and then answer my own question. That's an easy way to come up with a very long caption. Then you want to do the follow-unfollow method so you can get a good bit of followers. Do that all the way up until you get to maybe like 3,000 followers, and then after that, I would just kind of slow down on it a little bit. Do some shout outs for shout outs, do live streams. Utilize IGTV because IGTV, you can get more views and you can also rank on IGTV. Now, what you don't want to do is be spammy. Do not be inboxing people trying to get them to buy the product. Just don't do that. The fourth thing that you want to do is create a landing page, because you want to be able to monetize your traffic in a very easy way. So creating a landing page is, if you don't know what a landing page is, first of all, a landing page is a page where people can fill out their first and last names and their email addresses so that you can be able to contact them and send them maybe newsletters every week, once a week, or every day, something like that. So that's what a landing page is. And you're probably wondering, how am I going to get people to opt in? So you create a freebie centered around your niche, and your freebie should be of value to them. So if I was in maybe like the spirituality niche, so a lot of people, I would probably create a freebie that is basically going to tell them their fortune. It's like a fortune teller or whatever. I don't know, like, create a freebie. You know what I'm saying? If you sell spirituality products like crystals and stuff like that, maybe offer 10% off on a crystal. I don't know, like, come up with your own freebie. Do your research. Come up with ways to get them to opt in. So you have to make sure you have that. Most of the time on ClickBank, the owners, they will have a freebie that you can use to get people to opt in. You'll see that when you go on there and you read the pages that they have and read all the instructions that they have, because they basically break it down for you so you don't have to do as much work. And like the email list is really how you monetize and get people to buy the product. If you learned something from this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more video education on business and stuff like that. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm going to try to upload a video probably every day. If I can't do that, then I may just, I don't know, I'm trying to get it together, y'all. But bye.